I'm just going to do this outside. I've got it set up already. We got set up just because I don't want to make, I'm getting tired of all the dirt inside the shop. And if I can keep some of the dirt out of the shop, it would be very much a good thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it outside. It's beautiful out today. It's not as beautiful as Jolene. Jolene looks amazing today. She woke up at 7 looking like a 10. All right, I'm just going to cut these bumper brackets off, or the bumper bolts off. What I plan on doing is take the bumper bolts, cut them, take them off, take off the bracket, and then I'm going to weld bolts where those were to flush it off. So when I put the flexible chrome on, there's no place where it's going to be messed up. So I'm just going to cut these off real quick. Oh, got to plug the cord in. So this is for anybody that wants a custom touch and to be able to chrome their own bumper themselves. The reason I'm going from the outside is because it'd be hard to get on the inside to cut that off, and I'm not wrenching it off because it takes more time. Also, we have the time rolling, so we know how long it would take to do this. I gotta get a hammer to knock them out. Jolene will show you around, and I'll get the hammer. Just as easy as that. There's one bumper that I went out and got there this morning, is that ribbed bumper, that Plymouth bumper. I'd like to do that one, and I'll show you how I would do that one. Yes, I will. Come on, baby. There, girl. There, girl. Now, there's my bracket. I'd want to sandblast that up or clean it with a flapper wheel. That's what I'm going to do with this one. Generally, I would sandblast it, but there's no need. There's no need. I want to look at the bumper to see if there's any. I got a little crook in it right there. I don't know if that bench is good enough, but ouch. I'm just not willing to press down on that, bend that. I'll put it in something, bend it. Just looking for something real quick. I got a little bend in it right there on this bumper.